Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, today we've got something big to talk about. Ripple just secured $500 million in new funding. Yeah, that's $500 million. And I'm going to break down what that really means for Ripple, for the crypto space, and most importantly, for you as an XRP holder. Now, let's get right into it. So Ripple locking in $500 million isn't just some random number. This came from Fortress Investment Group and Citadel Securities, two massive names in traditional finance. These are serious, old-school players who don't just throw money around for fun. If they're putting $500 million into Ripple, it means they've looked deep into the company, its books, its partnerships, its vision, and they clearly like what they see. And here's the best part. This new funding puts Ripple's valuation at $40 billion. That's huge. It shows how much confidence major investors have in Ripple's future. Ripple's been making smart moves lately. Over 6 strategic acquisitions in just 2 years, 25% of their shares repurchased, $95 billion in total payment volume, and their new stablecoin RLUSD already crossed $1 billion in market cap. They're building what they call the Internet of Value, basically the next generation of financial rails for banks and institutions moving on-chain. So yeah, this isn't some hype play. Ripple is quietly building the infrastructure for the future of finance. Now, I know some of you are probably thinking, okay, if Ripple's doing all this amazing stuff, why isn't the price of XRP shooting up right now? Good question. The answer's simple: market conditions. The entire crypto market's been shaky lately. Bitcoin dropped under 100K, Ethereum slid down to around 3K, and XRP even touched 0.28 cents. There's been fear and uncertainty everywhere. But historically, November has always been one of the strongest months for crypto. Out of the last 10+ years, only 2 Novembers closed in the red. Most of the time, Bitcoin and the overall market have seen 30% plus gains this month. So the fundamentals are strong, and the market just needs to catch up. When that happens, all this groundwork Ripple's been laying is going to start showing up in the price. That's my view. Big picture, confident closing tone. Here's how I see it. Fortress and Citadel didn't invest $500 million just because Ripple made a nice PowerPoint presentation. They saw the long-term value, the partnerships, the regulatory progress, and they bet big. That's why I'm confident holding XRP for the long run. I'm not worried about short-term dips. I'm focused on the vision Ripple is building because I see massive 10x, 20x, even 30x potential as blockchain adoption keeps growing. And remember, Ripple's swell event is happening now, with names like Fidelity, BlackRock, and even White House representatives attending. That alone tells you how seriously traditional finance is taking Ripple's ecosystem. So yeah, this $500 million raise isn't just another headline. It's a massive vote of confidence in Ripple's future and a reminder that we're still early. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, drop a comment, and let me know what you think about Ripple's latest move. And if you want to see what I'm investing in personally, check out the link below, my Inner Circle group. We're building portfolios together, sharing real buys and sells, and it's just $27 a month. You can even try it risk-free for 30 days. All right, that's all for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.